Johnson Controls, working to make homes, cars, and workplaces more comfortable, safe, and sustainable. Johnson Controls, ingenuity welcome.
Hi, I'm Ward Komorowski, and welcome back to Johnson Controls. We're a global leader in energy-efficient building systems and facility management, and my job here is resident energy optimization expert. Energy efficiency is the foundation of Johnson Controls. Our research indicates that companies expect to use 9% less energy on average as a direct result of making improvements to create a more energy efficient facility. Your bird's eye view in our innovative technologies continues with an exclusive tour of our LEED certified facility in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, where we'll show you a great example of what happens when energy efficiency meets executive efficiency. So when the president came here about 2 years ago to speak at the Energy Forum, what was interesting was the White House staff came up to me and said, hey, could you do us a favor? Could you turn off the air handling unit when the president begins to speak? My biggest issue with that was, first of all, I pre-cooled the space because we're gonna have 300 occupants within the facility, all dressed up in suits and ties. Then, secondly, it's gonna be on national television. Thirdly, the president's gonna begin to perspire. And then fourthly, Ward's gonna end up losing his job because here we are at Johnson Controls and we should be able to control the environment. So, with that said, I said to him, why? And the answer that I got from the White House staff was, well, we're picking up some air noise from the diffuser. So when the president speaks, we're having problems with the audio. I said, well, that's easy to fix. We don't have to shut the whole air handling unit off. So I pick up my phone, call up my service technician, Dave. He ends up, I say to Dave, do me a favor, take box 732, make the minimum position 0 and the maximum position 0 so we don't have any CFM going through this VAV box. Dave turns around, does it, bam. 2 seconds later, I lean over and I say to the White House staff, how's that? He puts on his headsets, away he goes, he looks at me and goes, it's gone. He said, where's the guy with the ladder? And that to me was the most intriguing line that got me, was where's the guy with the ladder? Because today the building technology is networked and controlled from building to building. And you don't have to be at the facility. You can remotely control the building. So think about this. You have a campus environment, you're spread all over the city, and all of a sudden I have a call from one building to another. Here's my service technician. He needs to drive from point A to point B. And it takes up time and it takes fossil fuel. So what about sustainability and being able to control remotely is that you reduce your gasoline consumption and you also increase your productivity of your service technicians. That to me is a cool story. To see more of our tour, check out our video series, Ward Online. And for more information on how Johnson Controls can create comfortable, safe, and sustainable solutions for your facility, just click the link. Thanks.
Johnson Controls, working to make homes, cars, and workplaces more comfortable, safe, and sustainable. Johnson Controls, ingenuity welcome.